All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the XRP community. I'm sure you guys know that, December could not have started off on a better note for XRP. XRP is currently retesting the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Everyone is now going to realize how important that resistance really was that I was talking about. And, the price of XRP is doing exactly what I have predicted. And I do believe, that main resistance around the $2.40 could be retested. And it's not looking like that might be an unrealistic target to be looking at, because the price of XRP as we're recording this update is at $2.36. We're going to talk about that. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm sure you guys are looking at the markets right now. You're seeing double-digit gains across the board. Obviously, a huge catalyst of behind that is Bitcoin move, as well as the dominance continuing to pull down. But today belongs to XRP. Up 25%. And look at the price, guys, $2.35. It's higher than this when I pull out the charts. Up 23.8% in USD comparative, up 21.3% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market cap at $132.8 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at 22.3 billion. We're coming for the top third spot, guys. We could actually see that happening while you guys are watching this update. XRP could actually flip Tether in the next, few minutes. The way it's climbing up, we're about $1 billion off. XRP is about to make history right now. When was the last time XRP was ranked as a top third spot? It's been quite some time, and it's coming for Tether's spot. And maybe at the time of you watching this update, that has already happened. We're going to talk about the price, but before I do that, I just want to ask you guys for a quick favor. Hit the link in the description box below. Follow my second channel. I will try to separate some updates completely on that channel. So if you could kindly do that, that would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, now let's get right into it. So look at Raoul Paul's tweet. This has kind of gotten a lot of people talking. So it says, "Dear XRP Jedi warriors, you were right. I was wrong. Well done. Dinosaurs still roam the earth. I just want everyone to make dollars, and you guys have walked through hell to get here. I still own some XRP from the delisting, but you guys, girls, deserve everything." And, Raoul Paul, I, respect Raoul Paul, but, he has been quite clear on when he thinks about, the old utility projects, such as Cardano, such as, ADA, such as Stellar, such as HBAR. And here we are, looking at XRP exploding. So pretty much what he's saying is that, he was wrong. He thought, these old projects are, done, but now, of course, as regulatory clarity is coming towards the crypto markets, you're seeing markets being accepted. Crypto market is here to stay. Bitcoin is being talked about on a regular basis. Bitcoin is about to crack $100,000. We're seeing ETFs, massive institutional interest coming in. We're actually starting to see indexes forming, which again, is a major moves, for the crypto space. But now, after the Trump administration took over, obviously for US-based, projects, they are really thriving, especially the utility projects, and XRP is one of them. Gary Gensler announcement was, the best thing that could have happened in November, and we were waiting for that. And look at this, guys, the lawsuit for the SEC and Ripple. That lawsuit, it's still not officially over, and yet you're looking at, guys, the price action that we're seeing right now with XRP. People know that is going to happen sooner rather than later. Once the restructure of the SEC happens, we're going to see that happen, quite fast. But what a great day, guys. If you're looking at the Bitcoin Dominance Index right now, let's give it a refresh live to really understand what's happening with the Bitcoin Dominance Index. Dominance Index is pulling down quite sharply. I don't know why we're on the monthly. We need to take a look at it on the weekly time frame. 56.75%. Looking at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not seeing explosive moves right now. Bitcoin's pretty much hanging around that $97,300 price point. Obviously above 96K, you guys know the psychological 96K level, and of course it's a major resistance at the same time. But, they were about to close the daily candle in the next few minutes. So if it's able to close, today's daily candle above $97,000, I think that is a great sign that, we could actually have a crazy week ahead of us. But, speaking about that, look at XRP, guys. This right here is the monthly time frame. I'm going to show you guys a weekly time frame. Look at this right here. You can't make this up. You cannot make what's happening right now up. I talked about the significance of that key resistance, the previous cycle high. I said after we break out of there, the $2.40 is that next target, and we could see that happening quite fast. I literally said that over the last few updates. And even if you watch my update this morning, I said, this is going to happen. And here we are. We're about to retest that $2.40 price point for the first time since the beginning of 2018. We're seeing history being made. A lot of people are speechless, and a lot of people are going to be left speechless once the price of XRP cracks past all-time highs. And you could not have asked for a better start to December. Christmas came early for the XRP community, especially the ones that picked up XRP during the extreme uncertainty time. Look at this, guys. From November 4th, if you picked up XRP, you are up 362%. And speaking about that, interview that was coming out with Brad Gerling, I think it's coming out on the 8th of December rather than today, based off of, the information that was shared today. But look at this, guys. We're about to see XRP closing its daily candle around that $2.40 price point. Let that sink in. We're about to see that happen. And I think we could actually start heading into the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level for the first time, of course, since 2017. And this will be historical. Everyone's going to be talking about it. And I do expect we do see a little bit of a rejection around where we're coming up at. But if this daily candle close happens where we currently are, I think we are about to see some major fireworks for XRP. Look at this, guys. We're about to retest that key resistance. $2.47 is the exact resistance itself. That's exactly what I was talking to you guys about after breaking out of this key resistance. And if you want to really put this move into perspective right now, if this was something that you had set for yourself as a confirmation at that $1.92, which was the previous cycle high, you are up 25% after that specific move. So yeah, guys, a little bit of resistance. Obviously, resistance is a little bit of a hurdle in front of the price. That's how you want to kind of treat this as. We might see a little bit of a rejection, but if we're able to close where we currently are, let the fireworks begin for this upcoming week, and you're an all-time high. Obviously, once we get into the 23.6 all-time high conversation start, and we're actually only 41% away from all-time high. Let that really sit with you. This is insane. I still am at a loss of words at this point because this is literally something that's happened in a snap. People usually think, years, it will take years to happen. We've been through major consolidation for literally 3 to 4 years. And here we are seeing a breakout in a matter of 2 weeks. In a 2 weeks time frame, you're looking at XRP making these types of moves. And now I think the likes of BlackRock are going to be, I think they were already paying attention, believe it or not, but I think they're going to be looking at this much more closely. And if BlackRock announces an ETF, I'm just going to leave it there. Let me know down below what you guys think. Next few hours, very important. If we're able to close the daily candle around that $2.40 price point, I think we're about to see a great week ahead of us. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.